Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn how to clean up backgrounds of a photo. Select the spot, then go to edit, fill, content aware, check the color adaptation, then click OK. Then deselect, again select, fill, OK, then deselect again. Now select this part, always try to select a small area. It will provide you best result. Deselect. Now the red spot. Deselect again. It is the complicated part of this image. Just select little portion of it. Okay. Then fill. And then remove again. Here we see little black spot. Oh, it is the shadow, I think. Let's try. Deselect. Yes, it is removed. Then deselect, again select, yeah, it's done. Now look how beautifully we can clean up backgrounds with Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this.